Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good today. If you are new, please consider subscribing. For today's video, I'm just going to do some Christmas designs, and I'm just showing my nails real quick because I was in the middle of taking them off and redoing them, but then I felt like doing this instead. So don't mind how they look. So today I'm going to be doing a pink Christmas set. So this style of today's video is going to be a bit different. It's going to be less talking and more watching. So I hope you enjoy, and yeah, I'm just going to go get started with the design. This is a deer antler charm that I got from Shein. If it is still available, I will list it in the description box. So obviously the second nail is going to be a deer. I placed the antlers on and now I'm just marking out where the head should be so, you know, I don't draw this whole thing in the wrong spot and be very mad. So I'm using a, what is this called? A ball pen? Why can't I think of it right now? A dotting tool. Oh my God. I'm using a dotting tool to create the head shape. So off camera, I outlined it in the dark pink. I gave him a smile. I made the eyes a bit bigger and added glitter to the eyes as well. So now I'm up to the third nail and I'm only doing 3 for this set. So I already did 1 stripe and this nail, I'm keeping it simple. I'm just gonna make this a cute little present nail. So I felt like these antlers needed more, so I took some cuticle cuffs and I just glued them down underneath this charm, and then on the end of each I connect some rhinestones to kind of make it, you know, blend in with the charm that's already there. All I'm doing here is making those stripes way thicker because this bow is so oversized that it kind of just, you know, totally blocked them. So yeah, I'm just making each stripe way thicker, like I said, and then giving it a cure. They are all done, and I am in love with this pink Christmas set. I think it is so cute. It came together so well. I just added some sparkly dots to that reindeer nail, and yeah, that's about all you missed. So yeah, this plaid nail has to be like one of my favorites of the set. Yeah, I just really love how this turned out. I hope you do also, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.